Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the anonymous array in Java. So let us take what is the concept. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use simple notepad and our definition. So write a program to anonymous. So okay. Yes, that is a anonymous array in Java. So what is a concept? So yes, that is we can say that anonymous. Yes, here that y is remaining. Yes, now perfectly. So yes, what to do? So yes, that is a we have to pass within the parenthesis, and there is a nameless object. So that we can start. Yes, let us we can understand. So public, then class, and we can say that test. Yes, T capital test array, and then opening closing brace, and then static, then void, and show array. Yes, that is our method, and yes, here we can pass that 1D array. So that is a same concept like we can pass the 1D array to our method, but here anonymous inner type. So that is a very important. So now what to do? So here we can just print that array. So I equal to 0, I less than x dot. Yes, so that is a length. Length is a member of class, and then we have to print yes system dot out dot print ln. So new line, and I also print the subscript. So I, and then plus again, then double quote bracket colon. Yes, that is small bracket, not brace, and then plus x of I. So that complete, and now we can take our main method. So public static void main, and then we can define the string args, and that our single dimensional array is string class. And what to do? So here only one line, so show array, and then within the parentheses we can pass like here we can use as a new. Yes, new, and then integer subscript, and directly take the element. So which element? Yes, I give like sequence 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So our goal how to print. Yes, that is a, here you can look that syntax is a anonymous inner type. So there is a no any name. You can look here, there is no name. And within the parenthesis means that start parenthesis of method and end, we can pass our single dimensional array to our method. So here that copy and print. So yes, here there is no name. So that is a anonymous inner type array. We can say that in Java. So that is anonymous inner type. So yes, I think you have to understand. So new keyword is required. That is a nameless object. We have to say that, and integer data type subscript, and then opening and closing brace, and we can supply to our element of array. So now I can save control S. Yes, control S. So that our you have to know the class name is a file name in the Java. So test.java, yes, that is our test. Means we have to check, yes, in that is a anonymous inner type. Within the parenthesis, we can pass, and there is no name. Yes, that is a nameless object, and that is anonymous inner type. So yes, that is anonymous array in Java. So let us I minimize the notepad and go in the command prompt. So you can look here that recently open and full screen and cd slash and f colon change and Java Pro, that is our folder, and then Java, yes, path. So that is our batch file name. So JDK path is set, and now Java C and test array, that is our source file name. So Java C is a compiler of JDK tools and compile to our file. Yes, there is no any error. And now, yes, test, so array. First we have to print also index wise. You can look here. So very simple way. Yes, that very simple way. Now you can perform any definition, like you can sum of that digit. So let us take, we can sum of the digit of array element. So now what to do? So here we can take one integer sum assigned to 0, and then we can also take the sum of that array. So sum plus equal to x of I, and then we can print also that sum. So again system dot out, and then print ln. So taking new line, and we can say that the summation is and summation of element. Yes, you can also use that type of word, and print the sum variable. So now again I can save and go in the dose mode and compile. Yes, and run. So you can look that sum 65. So that you can perform now any definition. So yes, here that is a very important concept. What is a anonymous inner type? That is a method we have to, and we have to pass the one single dimensional array. So that is a single dimensional or 1D array. We can simple short form. So that we can anonymous. There is nameless object and there is no any name. So here that syntax within the parenthesis we can take the like method, so that we have to call and that assign to 1D array and process that as our previous means simple logic. So here we can sum of that array element. So single dimensional array we have to use in this technique. So you can also use multi dimensional array, but here first we can check as a single, and that is a anonymous array in Java. So yes, any question regarding this concept anonymous array in Java, so you can write in the comment section. I give the definitely to answer to you. Subscribe my channel Ashok C. Jala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.